Ooh. Hi, I'm Tree, and today we're doing 2 dishes in 1 pot, the Crock Pot. This is Tree Eats. So I'm just going to gauge it by eye. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil in there. So with the olive oil that I just put on, I'm just going to grab a little paper towel and coat in the sides, and I'm coating the middle. That looks pretty good, and we should be good to go on the potatoes. Get your scissors out. And this is about, each of these is 1.5 pounds of these potatoes. I got 2 of them, so it's going to be about 3 pounds of potatoes if you're going to do the small potatoes. So we're using a combination of the potato medley, which is the purple, yellow, and reds. And on top of that, I added an additional bag of just red potatoes. Red potatoes seem to be more consistent in the crock pot. They hold together and not as mushy. Make sure you wash your potatoes. I'm keeping these whole because I'm cooking this for longer. I want this to all cook evenly, so especially when I'm gonna have a meat laying right over it. This is 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna melt it, and I'm gonna add some minced garlic and mix it so that it spreads evenly through and coats evenly all the potatoes. Like after your butter's been melted down, it's gonna go with a good heaping spoonful of minced garlic, AKA Jarlic, with all the cool online food people say, Jarlic. Mix that all together, and what we're gonna do right here, I wanna make a mess, I'm gonna put that right there, is I'm gonna coat that evenly throughout. Now, and I'm not gonna be mixing this because I'm gonna have the meat on top of it, so it's not gonna be able to mix, so that's why we're doing it this way. It already smells good. That melted butter, just the butter from the heat permeating already, and then just putting that garlic and mixing the garlic and the butter together, it's amazing. It's amazing right now. It already smells good. All right, so to top it off, to finish this, I'm gonna put some onions in here. Kind of evenly spread that out. Maybe 1/2 or 3/4 of a cup of diced onions. Basically, the concept of this, the potatoes and onion, is that me and my son, we had some soul food from a barbecue place, and one of their side dishes was onions, and it was just called onions and potato, and it had so much flavor, and I was truly inspired by it, and I wanted to recreate it with my little twist on it, and then the idea or the concept is with the meat that's going to be over it, the meat's going to drip onto my meat and potatoes, or I'm sorry, potatoes and onions, and it's just going to give it that extra flavor that I'm looking for. So now what we're going to do, we are in Texas. So Texas style barbecue is basically just a dry rub that you put on any of the meats, any of your brisket, any of your pork, your ribs, etc. And the barbecue sauce would be a side piece, like you put that on the side. So in true Texas fashion, fashion would be salt, pepper, garlic. That would be your only seasoning. But we're gonna switch it up a little bit. I've heard amazing things about this company, Meat Church Barbecue, and we're gonna try their Holy Cow barbecue rub. And when you want to season this generously, not lightly, but generously. As true Texas style is, you coat the heck out of all your meat. The main reason why you coat it so heavy is that once it sweats down, it's gonna melt it right into the meats, and it's gonna be, some of it's gonna evaporate, some of it's just gonna melt right into the meat. So you want to make sure you have a good seasoning, and so it just stays on the meat, especially when it's gonna be slow cooked. All right, so with everything, ready to go. We're going to turn on the crock pot, or AKA the slow cooker. We're going to turn on the slow cooker. And your options are we can do low and slow for 7 to 8 hours, or on high for about 3 to 4 hours. We're going to kind of running out of time today, but I'm going to do 3 to 4 hours today. For 4. And there we go. It smells really good. I'm excited. I just hope it turns out really good. Smells really good. Oh, okay. You guys all ready? I just hope it's good. Ready, and here we go. Ooh. Oh, wow. Sizzle, sizzle. All right. Use a fork real quick. See how tender it is. I'm just gonna do a quick stab. Goes right through. We are good. We are good. Yeah, that one's a little bit more softer on the bottom, as expected. Alrighty. Looks good. Looks good. Hopefully it tastes good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Watch this. Watch this. Clean off the bizone. It is time to eat. Crazy. Clean that came off the bone. Yeah. That's tenderness right there. Yeah, I'm checking the potatoes right now. It looks like I wanted to see if it burned at the bottom, but there was enough juice to not burn at all. I mean, this smells awesome. I can't wait to try it with some sauce. All right, everybody ready to eat? Make sure you like and subscribe. It's still heavily seasoned, but it tastes like Texas barbecue. Very peppery, nice. It's super soft. Like, this is probably the most tender ribs that I've had, and yeah, it's a really good strong pepper profile. Probably could use some like barbecue sauce on the side, like Texas style. It's really good. A lot of the seasoning went into the potatoes underneath. There's a lot of flavor going on, a lot of pepper, kind of pot roasty style potatoes. It's really good. It's a success. I'm happy with it. Thanks for watching. Leave comments. Let me know what you want me to do next time.